What's up everybody, my name is Noble and I am here to help you guys conquer the brand new YouTube. In today's video we're going to be showing you how to find any videos that you may have that might have a copyright claim. It's going to be a short video, let's go ahead and jump into it. If you've had a YouTube channel for as long as I have, if you've been doing YouTube for a while, if you've been constantly making videos, chances are you've probably had at least one copyright claim in the lifetime of your channel. Now with the new changes to YouTube, you may not know where to find those, and that's what we're going to show you guys today. So in order to find any copyright claims, there's actually two ways to go ahead and do this. First things first, sign into your YouTube channel, click on your icon on the top right, and of course head on over to the brand new YouTube studio. Now from here, you should have some of these boxes on your dashboard. Very important notifications. Here it will tell you when and where you have copyright claims. Now I've got a couple here that we're going to be making some videos on that are very annoying, but an easier way to possibly go ahead and find this is by clicking on your videos tab here on the left. Now these are going to be your uploads. Your uploads are your VODs, and these are all the videos that are publicly available for anyone to watch. If you want to see which ones have copyright claims, you just click on filter and copyright claims. Now from here you guys can see I have one right now that we're actually going to make another video for in a follow-up video, but this is where you would go ahead and find that. Now you can also do the same thing for some of your past live streams or stories. I know that I've got a couple here on my live streams as well. Once again, you click on live for your past live streams. All of these are going to be all the live streams that are available on your channel. And then once again at the top you can click on filter, copyright claims to see which videos have copyright claims. So that's the easiest way to go ahead and find where your copyright claims are going to be on your channel. Now in a follow-up video, we're going to tell you guys how you can dispute these and whether or not you should dispute them. Keep in mind, disputing copyright claims can either be very good if you know exactly what you're doing, or can result in a copyright strike on your channel if you're doing it wrong. Now if you get 3 copyright strikes, your channel is automatically deleted. You cannot recover it. There's nothing you can do about it. So be sure you guys know what you're doing. And for that reason, be sure that you check out the following video so that you guys know how I handle my copyright claims. If you guys like this video or anything else that I do, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing, and I'll see you guys on the next one.